So once again, hello all. And I believe all of you remember that we decided that every Sunday we shall give an opportunity to one member of our family to come forward to show his or her expertise in a field of his or her choice. I hope all of you remember that. So today is the first Sunday, and most of you are coaches who work in different fields. And of course, graphotherapy is the common link. And I would definitely like to know you better and be instrumental in your journey on social media. So today, I want to introduce a dynamic member of our family. She has multiple feathers in her cap. She's a lovely wife, mother of two enterprising kids, a devout Jan, and a dynamic personality with over 20 years of diverse professional experience and 17 years as an entrepreneur. Now, she had explored various career paths, but still she craved for more. So, the universe helped her realize her true calling when she discovered graphology. So, since then, she had dedicated herself wholeheartedly to this field, driven by deep commitment to helping society through its transformative power. So, I know you are curious to know the name. So, she is none other but Raksha Jain. So, she'll be, you know, uh, taking us to a new experience. So, I would definitely bring her to the spotlight. Uh, yes.
Hello, everybody. If I'm
So,
audible, just give me a thumbs up.
yeah.
I'll start.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
continue.
So, last part of our segment, and as Sejal ji spoke about self talk and self love, so today I would like to extend the same. I thought of having a 7 day challenge. So, for next 7 days, we are going to awaken something powerful inside us. That is our self talk, the way we talk to ourselves. Because the truth is, the way we speak to ourselves is the way we shape our life. Self talk builds our self esteem. Self esteem fuels our physical health. It influences our choice, our confidence, our relationships. And when challenges strikes, it decides how quickly we can bounce back from the situation. But here's what often happens most of us are conditioned to doubt ourselves. We've practiced self criticism so very often that we just feel it normal. The voice inside would just say, what if what if I fail? What if I not do enough? What if I'm not the best one? So this challenge, this 7 day challenge is all about rewriting the script. So, for the next 7 days, we all would practice speaking to ourselves with love, respect, and belief. And slowly, what we would notice is our inner voice have become then our greatest coach and have come out of that past comfort zone of conditioned mind and how we reshape ourselves. So, here's how we can do it every day. Every morning before you step out of the bed and do your daily routine, just place your hand on your heart, take a deep breath, and just say, I love myself. I choose to shine today. I choose to rise today. Another way, just stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, if the situation is tough, then I am tougher. So, any situation throughout the day, if you come across, just feel I am tougher than this. And throughout your day, whenever doubt sneaks in, just stop there and replace it with words of strength. Instead of saying, I can't handle this, just say, I am capable of doing much more than I have ever imagined. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough, just say, I am worthy. I'm worthy of doing everything. I choose to do this work. And instead of saying, what if I fail to do so? Just say, what if I fly if I do so, if I go ahead with this? So these words are not empty, but they are seeds, they are blueprints. And every time you repeat them again and again and again, what are we doing? We are just watering these seeds in our mind. And just as a very small example, when we exercise in the gym, with every day's dedication and consistency, we make our muscles. So similarly, when we train our brain in the similar manner, what are we doing? We are just building the muscles of our inner mental well-being. So at first, when we start with this exercise, our inner critic would just resist us, and we would just stick with ourselves. But for 7 days, when you continuously practice this, soon this belief will replace the doubt, strength will replace our fear. And because when we treat ourselves with kindness, the world treats us in the same way. Your private voice becomes the public presence. Our confidence becomes a true confidence and simply the habit of believing in yourself. And now, where the challenge ends is the eighth day, wherein we close this challenge with a powerful ritual. We would just take a piece of paper, write down all the negative phrases that we came across in the 7 day challenge, any kind of doubts, say, like, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, what if I fail? We would just write down any negative thoughts that we come across. And then we would just light up a small diya, tear those in, tear that page into small bits of pieces of paper and just burn that off. Watch the smoke rise, and as it does, let those old beliefs leave you. Say to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. From this day, I walk in strength, worth, and love. And let this ritual be a turning point. It is our way of telling to our mind, I am no longer the prisoner of inner critic. I choose freedom. I choose self worth. Thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful. It was just amazing, Rakshaji. For me, it was the statement that if the situation is tough, I am tougher. That actually resonated. So,
Thank you, Raksha. It was really
so
nice.
let's hear out if anybody wants to say
Thank you,
anything.
Raksha. That's really great. Yeah.
It is a great motivation to start your morning like this. And if we get such like food for thought for the entire day, I think this was amazing. This was amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shaji. So let's end the session. Thank you, Rakshaji,
Thank you.
for
Thank you,
yes,
everybody.
thank you.